Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the quick and simple steps for displaying sensitive media in posts on the X app for PC. The platform recently introduced an update that changes where this setting is located, so if you can't find it, this guide will help you in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open the X app on your computer and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your home screen, look to the navigation bar on the left-hand side and click the More icon. This will open a small menu with several options related to your account preferences and app settings. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you control most of your experience on X, from your account details to how content appears on your feed. After opening it, click on Privacy and Safety. Inside Privacy and Safety, you'll see a list of settings that help manage what you view and share. Find the option labeled Content You See, and click it. This is where you can fine-tune how media and sensitive posts appear while scrolling through your feed. Now, here comes the key step. In this section, look for the box that says Display Media that may contain sensitive content. By default, this setting is usually unchecked to protect users from unexpected or graphic material. To allow sensitive visuals to appear in your timeline and media previews, simply check that box. Once you've enabled it, your preferences will be saved automatically, and you'll start seeing sensitive content without warnings or blurred previews. That's all it takes. With this small setting adjusted, you can view all media as it's meant to appear, whether it's art, news, or anything else that might have been filtered out before. If this update helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might be struggling to find the new option. Thanks for watching.